Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Honey Beauty. Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I've heard so much about it, so I had to buy. It is not even expensive, such an affordable foundation for everyday use. I liked it as it is said it is matte, but it is a little dewy kind of skin like, so I liked it and thought of giving a review on this to you guys. I've loved this foundation. Thought of giving a live application of this foundation on my skin, and you decide whether it is good or not. Do comment and like. As I have heard so much about this foundation, so I had to try it. It is normal to oily, matte, poreless. Poreless is the best word, poreless. And my shade is 235. And let's just open it. It is just so cheap for 500 rupees. So here I am just going to use it on my face and going to show it to you. We just need a little quantity. There you go. As you can see, it's hardly a drop. So I am going to show you that how it looks alone on the face, and I will show you the best way of applying this foundation on the face. So stay tuned and do subscribe guys. So with my brush, it's a kabuki brush. So with my brush I am going to show you how it looks only with the foundation, how it looks. You can see it is matte as it has taken away the oiliness that I have here and this side. So this is the side that I have applied completely the foundation, and this side I haven't applied. As you can see the difference. I like this part. It's a great filter that we want in our photos and in our videos. So let's apply on the other side also. If you apply with a brush, it is even better because it gives a airbrush finish. So here it is. So you can see even a little bit more is left, and I am done with my foundation. And guys, don't just do it only on your face, as the foundation should be applied on your ears and neck. Don't forget your neck. So with this, just take this and apply it on your neck area. I hope you can see. It has given me, so on the neck I need a little bit more of the product, but for my face that was all I needed, just one drop. This is like too much. I don't like over coverage. I don't like to paste foundation on my face. All you need to do is smudge the foundation well on your face. Don't leave any area anywhere. And on the neck, This is the best shade for my skin. Don't leave any area as it would look very bad. So there, you're all ready. Superb coverage. I don't like full coverage. I don't think it is full coverage right now, but you can build it by applying another coat. But I don't require it. I am feeling that it is best. It is matte and still it is kind of a dewy. As you can see, it is shining, and if you don't want the shiny, you can just cover it with translucent powder or any compact powder you like. So I am just liking it how it came out. So this was the review on Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation. Do like my video, subscribe and support me by sharing this video if you found it helpful. A little blemish is visible and I want it because I want it to look like skin.